Happy Sunday, everyone. To God be the highest glory. So I just want to read the new comments, of course. First, we have an I sub with a new subscriber. Edit with Burger. You're so beautiful. You're the best I've ever seen. Oh my God, Slay Girl, I see you. Okay, Diva, I see you. You're so cute. Thank you so much. Marilyn, you're so pretty and cute. My favorite grandma in the whole world. Thank you, Marilyn. And then also, um, in love with VXMQ, almost. And then Amin, love it. Abby Fowl, Ate, you go girl. Thank you, Diego, for the heart. Nia, Niam, I love it. I love you. I love you too. And then Olaiton Tyrese, I love you too. Anime Lover, I love you too. Jenna, I love you too. Loki Zo, oh my God, love it. I just thought about that. Um, you're basically you're basically the best. Icon0303. I'm gonna miss this diva when I scroll. Thank you so much. I write all your comments. Zyla Johansson, go girl is Lay. Emma Magona, and this whole time I was wondering where was this diva in my family tree. Thank you so much. Peyton, all is just a number. Yeah, I said H is just a number. So you said 911 is just a number. Thank you. Mila Smith, through. Thank you. The body. Oh, go girl. I love you. Ate that up. Thank you, Angie R. Yes, purple gray. I'm Miss this diva when I scroll. You're right, Ima. Stay here until I die. Mystica, thank you. Then don't. Jenna, slay girl, yay. And then we have K-pop lover. Oh my gosh, I never expect this. I love it. New sub. Pin please, not begging. Okay, K-pop lover, thank you so much. Adi made the George. Okay, diva. Ava, love it. Sophia Haddad. So, a 56-year-old can date a 13-year-old? No, definitely not. Okay, Laila, how about you'll stop being mean to her because she's so nice and she's trying to post every single day. Even day 7 is the 7 people that like and seen this video. All treat her better or else I'm gonna report you. Oh, please don't. Thank you for defending me anyway. But let's be, give positivity. Okay, Caitlin. No, it's not. Remy Love, you didn't even do the dance. You're a horrible dancer. Thank you so much. And Adeline, underscore YouTube, be nice. Claudia Rivera for heart. Jego, Google, JOD. John Russell, flawless. It was amazing. Kathleen Francis, amazing. Keep it going. Eliza Anderson, love to see it. And Andrea Sinsek for giving heart. And Raven, hi. Sorry for not commenting in your channel, but you dance better than me. Thank you so much for all those comments that you are writing. I am reading all. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I just here to give positivity. God bless you all. Thanks. This is your groovy granny. Mwah. Love you all. Thank you.